What's up, everyone? This is Raphael from SelfMade Profits. And if you're looking to make some money online, you're looking to get paid with apps over and over, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be going over 6 best apps that pays you money over and over. Okay, before I do so, guys, please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I put out content just like this, just to help you make money from home. Okay, now these apps here, they do get you paid. You do have to put in work, of course, and you can definitely get paid with these apps. I'll be going over them one by one. Okay, so the first one is called Zap. All right, and Zap is basically you'll be taking surveys. Okay, so you'll take surveys on this platform here, and you'll be accumulating points. Okay, and every time you accumulate points, those points you can go ahead and basically get paid cash for them. Okay, so if you come down here, it says you'll complete surveys for money. Okay, with Zap surveys you get paid and we'll give you charity. All right, we offer daily surveys that tell you the exact dollar amount you are going to earn before even starting a survey. These surveys for money are paid surveys that also give to charity. When you enter the app, you'll have two options. You have the high paying surveys. It's a minimum dollar per survey, where you will not only be rewarded, but we will also donate to child starvation every completed survey. Surveys that not only pay you, but also donate to end childhood deaths from hunger and malnutrition globally. Surveys and rewards that appear based on your location, and daily surveys with decent payout and ton of different options. So as you can see, guys, this is a pretty good app here that pays you pretty well. Okay, because the minimum for each survey is $1, so you get paid $2 for a survey, $3, $4, $5. Okay, so it all depends. Now you'll go on the app, you'll choose whichever survey you want to take. It already shows you the amount that you'll be getting paid for the surveys, so you can go on the app and you'll be able to take the survey. Okay, so go ahead and you can go ahead and download this on the Google Play website. Also, you can also do it on the for your iPhone also. Okay. Now the next one here is called Cash for Apps. Alright, so this is basically going to be getting paid for installing apps on your phone. When you download the app on your phone, you just basically try it out for a few minutes. You can uninstall it if you want, or you can keep the app on your phone and continue to earn points on there. That way you can redeem those points for cash. Okay, so what you want to do is you go on Google Play, you download the app, and then in that app they'll have advertisements for other apps, new apps that they want you to check out. And this is basically the way they get you to check out the app, is just to, by paying you for it. So you just download the apps, you'll get paid for each app you download. And basically, you basically get points, and those points you can redeem them for either gift cards or you can redeem them for PayPal. And that means money to me. Okay, so the next one here is called Slidejoy, and with Slidejoy, basically it's one of the easiest ones because you don't really have to do much work. All you're doing is basically downloading this app on your phone. When you lock your screen on your phone, when you're gonna get ready to open up the phone or whatever, you're gonna notice that there's an ad on your phone, and once you slide the lock screen to open up the phone and you look at the ad, you're going to get points for just looking at the ad. Okay, and each time you do that, you gain points for that, and those points you can redeem for either cash or gift cards. Okay, so this is another pretty good one here. As you can see right here, it just basically tells you how it works. It says once you register on Slidejoy, every time you unlock the phone, you will get a card with news or promotion on your lock screen. Slide up on your lock screen to see more news. Slide right on your lock screen to unlock your phone and go to your home screen. You can slide left on your lock screen to get more information on the content, or you can slide down on your lock screen to access your notification and app shortcut menu. To get rewards with Slidejoy, you do not have to slide left, tap for money, or do anything other than use your phone as you normally do. You also don't receive more or less for engaging with the ads. Yes, it's that simple. Okay, so as you can see, all you're doing is basically just slide in to open up your phone, and once you see the ad, you basically got paid for it. Okay, very easy. The next one here is called AppNana. AppNana is a pretty good one. It's been around for a while now. Basically, you're just getting paid for trying out apps on your phone. You'll just download the app. You'll go ahead and you use it for a few minutes, and you'll gain points for that. Those points you can redeem for a lot of different rewards, and most of all, you can redeem them for PayPal cash. So you can get paid with this app. Okay. So like I said, they've been around for a while. As you can see, there's 551,000 reviews up here. Okay, so it's a pretty good app. You can come down here and read more stuff about it, and you'll see exactly how it all works. Okay, you also do get paid for, you collect points also for referring others to this app also, so you do get paid that way. The next one here is called Receipt Hog. Okay, Receipt Hog is basically you're gonna be shopping as usual, scanning your receipts and getting cash back for everything that you shop for. Okay, so you're basically saving money, you're making money all at the same time. Okay, so whatever you save, you get the cash out with PayPal, or you get Amazon gift cards. Okay, so it's pretty easy. You'll just go ahead, take pictures of your receipts from any store, restaurant, or cafe, earn Receipt Hog rewards like coins, spins at the virtual slot machine, and sweepstakes prize, and you get the cash out with PayPal or Amazon gift cards. Alright, so go ahead and check it out. Now the next one here is called Gift Wallet. Okay, with Gift Wallet, it's pretty simple, guys, and it's one of the good ones also. Okay, so how to earn from Gift Wallet. First you do is you go ahead and open Gift Wallet and tap Earn Points. Complete offers to earn your points. Get a notification when offer cash out. Tap notifications to see the points in your wallet. Click Reward to redeem your points for any reward or gifts. Okay, it's as simple as that. Make the most of your free time by earning. Alright, so it's pretty simple, guys. Okay, you're earning points for just doing tasks on here. You can play games on here. You can do a lot of different things on here, like take surveys. So you'll come on here and do that, and you'll earn points just for doing so. And each point you earn, you can go ahead and cash them out for PayPal money, or you can get gift cards. Okay, I usually do PayPal because that's the best way you're gonna get paid with these apps here. All right, so I definitely want to go ahead and bring this video out to you guys. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Comment below if you have any questions or concerns, or if you have an idea for any other video that you would like to see, and I'll definitely be replying. Once again, guys, stay blessed and become self-made today.